In the name of God, the Compassionate and Merciful. It is narrated, narrator says, I was with Imam Sadiq Salamullah alayhi, and an old man came to him and complained from coughing. So the Imam said to him, take some lowage seed with your hand and mix it with the same amount of sugarcane sugar and eat them dry for 1 to 2 days. The narrator says, I saw this coughing man after a while, and he said to me, I didn't use that medicine but only once, and I recovered from coughing. The source of this narration is the book of Al-Kafi, volume 8. Instruction: first powder the lowage seeds and mix it with the same amount of sugarcane sugar, and use it dry without mixing it with oil or water or honey or anything else for 1 or 2 days, 1 spoon a day. The best time would be before bedtime. The temperament of the coughing medicine: lowage, warm, sugarcane sugar, warm and dry. As a result, the coughing medicine has a warm and dry temperament. Usage: people with warm humor must use it with lesser amounts for longer periods. Again, the instruction also is written in the book of Dawr-e-Saziyya, Tabi Islami. The end. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.